Every app you use stores data somewhere. Instagram stores posts, Amazon stores products, and tools like ChatGPT store knowledge, just in a different way. At the most basic level, a database is just a smart cupboard for information. Instead of papers, it stores digital data. And instead of shelves, it uses systems that help retrieve the right information at the right time. The important thing to understand is this: a database itself doesn't think. It simply stores information and gives it back when asked. You already use databases every day without realizing it. Your phone contacts are stored in a database. A school storing student records uses a database. An online shop tracking orders and payments uses a database. Different use cases, same core idea. Store data safely and retrieve it when needed. As apps become smarter and more AI-driven, we don't just store facts anymore. We also store meaning. For example, searching exact words is useful, but sometimes we want systems to understand what we mean even if we phrase it differently. That's why, alongside traditional databases, we now also use vector databases, especially in AI-powered applications. If you're into this kind of content, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for future videos. And if you're someone who's starting from scratch, you can check out our free community. We have step-by-step tutorials covering these services, so you can learn how to build and deliver real solutions with confidence. If you're already a product owner and prefer to outsource the technical work, you can visit our website and get in touch with us. Links are in the description below. All right, let's get into it.
A traditional database is basically a system that stores structured information in a very organized way. Think of it like a super powerful digital table, one that never forgets, never mixes things up, and always gives you back exactly what you stored. Inside a traditional database, information is stored in tables. Each row represents a single record, like one user, one order, or one item. And each column is a specific detail about that record. Things like name, email, price, or quantity. If you have used Excel or Google Sheets, you already understand the structure. The traditional database works the same way, just built for real apps and thousands or millions of users. For example, here's a tiny table with columns name, email, age. Each of these has a record. That one row is John's entire record, and each column stores one of his details. Traditional databases are used everywhere for user accounts, login systems, online orders, payments, inventory tracking, and even CRM tools that store customer information. Basically, any app that needs a clean and accurate data uses a traditional database underneath. Now let's talk about vector databases, because this is where modern AI apps get their understanding from. A vector database stores meaning and context, not just plain text. Instead of saving information exactly the way you type it, it saves what that information represents. Let's say you're in a law firm and you search for employee termination, wrongful dismissal, or even unfair firing. All three sound different, right? But a vector database understands that the meaning is the same, so it gives you the same relevant case documents back, even if you didn't use the exact words. Here's the cool part: vector databases don't store text directly. They convert your text into numbers that capture its meaning. These number lists are called vectors or embeddings. When you save something like "I am happy," an AI model turns that into a list of numbers. You don't ever have to work with these numbers yourself, but this is what allows the database to understand relationship between ideas. Those vectors get stored in the database in a way where similar meanings are placed close together. So when you search for something later on, that database doesn't look for matching words. It looks for the closest meaning. To figure out what similar vector databases use clever math like cosine similarity, Doppler, Euclidean distance. Don't worry, you don't need to understand these formulas at all. Modern tools take care of everything behind the scenes through simple APIs. The only thing you need to understand is this: a vector database helps your app understand meaning, not just text. So if you enjoy this breakdown and you want to go deep into no-code, AI automation, real-world examples, and step-by-step tutorials, come join our free community. Inside the community, we share step-by-step app breakdowns, real demos from real projects, simple explanation for complex concepts, and practical no-code plus AI workflows you can actually use. And here's the coolest part: once you're inside, you can actually partner with us if you want to build solutions for clients or start offering services. We have built systems and workflows you can plug into, so you don't have to figure everything out alone. So come through, join the community, grab the resources and ask questions and connect with other people who are building just like you. Let's make learnings this time simple, fun and actually useful. I will see you inside.